Hey guys, this is Dr. Callahan. Welcome to Probability and Statistics for Semester 1, Week 3, Tuesday. So go ahead and make sure you guys have your warm-up log with you for Week 3, Tuesday. Pause the video to go over the 3 questions. First question is, what are your plans this week? List one good thing that happened this week so far. I think for me, it's to meet you guys individually, which is pretty awesome, given the fact that I haven't been there for the last 2 weeks. Number 2, when given the chance to travel abroad, where would you like to go outside of the USA? And last one is, and actually for the last one, I'm going to have you guys work on this part right here. So this is a very simple math question that tons of people have gotten wrong, and it went viral where people are actually debating about what the correct answer is. So I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to see if you guys are smarter than some of the people that got this wrong. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this question. This is going by PIMDAS. Okay, and I would love to go over this question with you, except my pen right here is not working for some reason. Here, let's do it one more time. Gosh, what is going on? Okay, here we go. Just a little bit of a delay, but that's okay, now it's working. All right, so this is going by PIMDAS. So you work everything inside the parenthesis first because that's first in PEMDAS. So 2 plus 2 is going to give me a 4, okay? Then you have a multiplication here and a division right here. Now, the rule is multiplication and division, they're on the same level, whichever one comes from left to right first. And in that case, it will be the division because it's first from left to right. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then you have to multiply. 4 times 4 gives you 16. So that is your correct answer. Okay, so on week 3, Monday, your homework was to do 68 to 80 even, which are these questions right here. Your answers are underlined as follows. And number 80, right there. I would like to take this time to maybe go over question number 74. Okay, so here it says A intersection B. So what I would like to do is I'd like to list A. So A, I have 1 and 4. B, I have 2, 5, 6. So A intersection B is saying, what do they share? Intersection means shared. Well, as I look over here, they don't share anything. So I would just put an empty set. Now, the question here has not right here. So you need to figure out what is not in A intersection B. Well, given the fact that being in A intersection B is nothing, your answer is going to include everything because this is really just an empty set. So in that case, you're going to include all of the numbers. So everything in set A, so that's 1, 4. Everything in set B, that's 2, 5, 6. Everything that they share, so that's 3, 7. And also everything that is not included in A and B. So that's 8, 9. So essentially, it is all of the numbers because A intersection B is an empty set. Therefore, A intersection B, what's not in A intersection B, includes everything else. Now let's kind of go over number 78. For number 78, A is going to be 1 and 4. B, and actually with not B, it'll be easier if you actually start off with B. Okay, so in B, you have 2, 5, and 6. And so not B is going to be all the numbers that's not in B, so that's 3 and 7. And you're looking at A intersection, oh, actually, hold on a second. A So you're looking at A union not B. So from that, you are going to include, and what's also not in B is not just 3 and 7. You also have, so that's in B. What's not in B is 3, 7, also 1, 4, and then also 8, 9. So A union not B, so we're looking at these two right here, means that you are going to go ahead and include everything that is here in A and everything here that's not in B. So that's include 1, I'm just going to go in order, 3, 4, 7, 8, and 9. And that is your answer. Okay. All right, so this is going to be week 3, Tuesday. So today our focus is going to be on 2.4 with set operations, Venn diagrams with 3 sets. We're going to go over 2 different examples. You guys do have a quiz on this, which is going to be 10 questions. And then in class, you're going to be setting up a question that's going to be on 3 sets of a Venn diagram. I have a Kahoot, which is right here, a Quizlet, which is right here with a capital W, capital K. And then your homework is to pick any 5 questions on Venn diagram from this link. If you go ahead and click onto this link, it is going to take you to this page right here. And it says here's a Venn diagram, and there are several different things you can pick from. Your job is to go ahead and pick any 5 questions from this document. So make sure you guys do that because it is due on Wednesday. All right, so here is going to be your quiz. And before I have you guys do that, oops, I want to make sure we go over a few of the questions. So let's go ahead and take a look at this right here, okay? So it says, a survey of 100 college students who frequent the reading lounge at a university revealed the following results. 40 of them read Times, 30 read Newsweek, 25 read U.S. News and World Reports, 15 read Times and Newsweek, 12 reads Time and Newsweek, U.S. News and World Report, etc., etc. So anyways, so first thing to do is you are going to create a Venn diagram of the 3 different newspapers. T for Time, N for Newsweek, U for U.S. News and World Report. Okay, and as I said before, you're going to be working backwards. So we're going to start off with 4 reads all 3 magazines. So that goes right there in the center. 10 reads Newsweek and U.S. News. So 10 reads Newsweek and U.S. So here you're going to do 10 minus a 4 because you see how it kind of encapsulates a 4. You have to subtract it, which will give you a 6. 12 reads Time and U.S. So 12 minus 4 is going to give me an 8. 15 reads Time and Newsweek. So 15 minus 4 is going to give me 11. Okay. Then you're going to work backwards and just keep going. 25 reads U.S. World Report. So if you have 25 right here, you will have to subtract the 8, the 4, and the 6. So 25 minus 18, which is going to give you 7. Okay. Then 30 reads Newsweek. So 30 minus the 11, minus the 4, minus the 6. So 30 minus 21, which is going to give you 9. And then 40 reads Times. But you have to subtract the overlapping circle. So 11, 4, and 8. So 40 minus 23, which is going to give you a 17. If you would like to have another better explanation, there's a YouTube video right here that goes over this one more time with a different person. And that's what you'll have. Okay, so now that we went ahead and figured out these numbers, we can now answer the questions. Okay, so question number 1 is to ask you how many reads at least one magazine, which is T, union N, union U. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take T, which is 17. You're going to go ahead and add it with N, which is 9, and U. Actually, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and try that one on your own. So let me erase this right here. So go ahead and give it a shot and give it a try. Okay, now what I have you guys do is go on to take your quiz for this. So if you take a look at your quiz, it is going to be right here. You can go ahead and pause the video to go ahead and answer them. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the answers. You can go ahead and check your answer. You must show work on these 10 questions in order to receive your point. You're going to be turning this in to me on week 3, Wednesday, because that's the next time I see you guys. And you are going to write down your score out of 10 on the clipboard on, you guessed it, Wednesday. So make sure you guys do that. All right. So here is your answer. If you would like to correct some of them, you are welcome to. But make sure you are showing your work because that's important. All right, so when I see you guys on Wednesday, make sure you guys give me your score on your quiz out of 10 for your quiz on Venn diagram. All right, as always, make sure you guys stay safe and healthy and rest plenty. And also make sure you comment under the video so with your name so that way I can take attendance. Have a wonderful day, you guys. I'll see you next time.